Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. It is said that it is during times of trials or great challenges that two things about a person are revealed, na ipapahayag o nakikita. The first is the person's faith, pananampalataya. The first reading comes from the book of the prophet Daniel. And in this first reading, King Nebuchadnezzar said to the three young men, including Daniel, "You better worship our God. Otherwise, you will be punished. Pag hindi kayo sumamba sa Diyos, lagot kayo sa akin. Magpapatugtog ako ng mga awit ng pagsamba, sumamba kayo." And here, during this trial, during this challenge, Daniel and the three young men displayed their faith. If our God whom we serve can save us from the white-hot furnace and from your hands, O King, may He save us. Bahala ang Diyos sa amin. But even if He will not, kahit na hindi kami ligtas ng Panginoon, know, O King, that we will not serve your God. Sa oras ng pagsubok, ipinakita nila ang kanilang pananampalataya sa Diyos. In the past experience that we had with COVID-19, 4 years ago, around these days, our faith was tested. Our faith was tested. We were facing a challenge that we did not know anything before. And many of us came out of this pandemic with stronger faith. Kasi nakita natin na sa mga panahon na tayo ay parang nag-iisa, naramdaman natin na hindi tayo iniwan ng Diyos. That is the first that is revealed during times of trials and challenges. A person's faith is revealed. The second is character. Nakikilala mo ang tunay na pagkatao ng isang tao kapag siya'y naharap sa pagsubok. Daniel and the young men could have said yes to the command of the king. Ligtas na sila. Bibigyan pa sila ng maraming yaman. Bibigyan pa sila ng mga titulo. They will be favorites of the king. Favored will be given unto them. But they showed their character by sticking to what is right. Sa mga oras ng pagsubok, makikilala mo raw ang tunay na ugali ng isang tao. Makikita mo kung ano ang kanyang tunay na karakter. My dear brothers and sisters, I do not wish that any one of us will face difficult trials. But I hope that when trials come our way, our faith and our character will shine. Amen.